That's a dirt road. Is it normally a dirt road down into town?
No. No, I
If
think
we
we
go,
go
go,
right.
go on, are you... I'll have to get in that.
Yeah, go right. Oh shit, where the hell am I going?
You're in a fence at the moment. In a quarter.
I'm in Australia, mate.
Are you? You're in a
Yep.
portal at the moment.
Holy mother of God, I'm on top of a tree. Welcome to dayz, folks.
Well, I've just gone round your truck and up the road. I think it's a right. Yeah, it's a right hand turn at the top. You are right. We have to go to the
Right.
south side of it, don't we? Is it the south side of the layer across, or is it? No, we're turning. No, I'll tell you what. There's a solution to this.